Hello creators! You want to know how to do this with Filmora Go? Then stay tuned. First, we open the Filmora Go app and start a new project. Import the two video files for the sky replacement. Go to Canvas, click on Format and choose the 9:16. Then click OK, go back, choose Picture in Picture and import the video file where you want to replace the sky and resize it. Then go to Mask, choose the circle and click on Reversal. Now you can adjust the mask. Use the down arrows to feather out it. If you're done, click OK. The next step is to choose the video file with the clouds and resize and position it. Same on the second video file. If you're done, go to Picture in Picture and import the video file with the hand on it. Now find the point where the hand makes the click animation and line it up to the point where you replace the sky. Then resize and position it to the left corner. Now go to Blending and choose Linear Dodge and click OK. For a cinematic feeling, click on Add My Music and import a music file by clicking the plus button. Then line it up. So when you're done, go back, go to Effect, choose Work and import the mouse click. Line it up again. Go to Volume, set 125 and click OK. For your final step, go to Export, choose your resolution in FPS and export it. Now you can directly share it on your social media and here the final result.